What is up, everybody? This is Ronnie from Canva. Welcome to this new series about making your designs move with the Canva mobile app. So in this one, we are going to talk about movement. We are going to talk about videos and how you can create them from your phone with Canva in a couple of easy steps. We will be starting by talking about, video becoming the dominant type of format on the internet and how Canva has seen this trend coming and gets you covered with a ton of video features. In the second video, we'll get started and select a couple of video templates to start working with. In the next video, I'll be showing you 4 different ways you can make your designs move with Canva. Then, we will put all of this into practice by creating a real-life project. And finally, in the 5th video, I'm going to show you how to export that video and share it with the world. Are you ready? Let's go.